$17,122. That is how much our net worth is down for the month of September. Yes, y'all heard me right. $17,122. And does your girl look phased? No. So if you want to know all the deets, you want to see real numbers, and you want to see how the stock market really slammed our portfolio, then stay tuned to the video. Hey everyone, my name is Shalise, also known as Mommy Trader here on YouTube. Hey investie besties, welcome back to the channel. If you are new around here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank y'all so much for coming back. I do appreciate all of you guys being here. I have to do my little spiel. My name is Shalise. I'm a mama, I'm a wife, and I love investing. I love talking about stocks, money, finance, and just all ways to really grow and level up when it comes to your finances. I do share real numbers, so go back and check many of my playlists if you want to get caught up, or if you are a beginner and you want to know where to start, you're looking for basic, easy, simple investing terminology. Check out my playlist as well, and you can check out my website for all the tools you need to really grow your wealth. And if you are a returning investie bestie, now y'all already know, I appreciate you being here. So today we're going to be talking about our net worth video. So you guys know when I do my net worth, I always share my screen. So I do a simple intro, and then I really take you inside the spreadsheet and we really walk through all of our assets and all of our liabilities. So if you are new and you want to know, okay, what is a net worth? So in my humble opinion, your net worth is one of the main number tools you need to know. If you are trying to buy a house, if you are trying to become a millionaire, if you are just trying to retire with a solid nest egg, you need to know the state of your finances. Remember, you are the best advocate when it comes to your money and what it's doing. And I always believe that you should be tracking your net worth. Now, you may not want to do it every month, perhaps every other month, at least once a quarter, you should know what your money is doing. Remember, putting your head in the sand does not stop fees. It does not stop overdrafts. It does not stop your money from growing, or if you're getting interest or dividends. So it's really important to really tune in and check in when it comes to your finances. Now, what is a net worth? Your net worth is a snapshot of your overall finances. It tells you how you are doing. So remember, you take your assets. So that's everything you own, okay? That could be investment accounts, retirement accounts, cars, homes, anything of value that you own, you list it under your assets column. And then you take your liabilities. That's everything that you owe. That's your mortgage, that's your car payments, that's any private loans you have floating out there, that's credit cards, things like that. And you tally all that up. And what you do is that you take your liabilities and you subtract that from your assets, and whatever number you get, that is your net worth. Now, you may see a negative number there. That is okay. All right. Most of us who are on this journey started with a negative net worth. My husband and I started with negative $75,000. So watch that video. I have it in my playlist as well, and I have it in the description box where you can go and kind of see where we came from. I share our story often on this channel, and what we did is increase our income because that's important. We kept our expenses low, and we really heavily put our money in assets where it could do the extra work for us, because we cannot work 24 hours a day. We're just human. So we put our money into places where it could work for us, where it could work 24 hours a day. That's real estate, that's the stock market, that's cryptocurrency, NFTs, I-bonds, sinking funds, savings account. All of those little areas really help propel our net worth to where it is today. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys our net worth. And like I said, it is down over $17,000. But I'll tell you this, $17,122 of our net worth being down is 1.35%. So it's always important to look at your numbers. I'm always tracking everything. I know sometimes you think oh my goodness, that is so tedious. Why did you do all that? Because when times are rough like it is right now in the stock market, it allows me to get a realistic view of what our money is doing. So if I see, okay, we're down $17,000, but when I do the percentage, it says, oh girl, you're only down 1.35%. I was like, okay. So buy and hold and just keep it moving. Go out and enjoy life and really enjoy today, knowing that our money, our assets is working for us for tomorrow. That is the philosophy that my husband and I really kind of stay on when it comes to our financial goals. So I can tell you that most of the downturn in our net worth was our investments and our retirement accounts. I mean, anybody who was investing took a hit in September. all of us took a hit in September, okay? The market was just unrelentless. There were several rate hikes in the month of September. We still have this kind of war going on with the Ukraine. It's a lot going on in the economy. And as a result, our accounts are really suffering right now. But again, these are the times where we can get a lot of the things that we want at a discount, okay? So yes, our investment accounts took a hit, like the 401k took a hit, Roth IRA, our taxable accounts, everything took a hit. But I am like holding the line, still investing, because I believe in the things that we own. Amazon isn't going anywhere. Target isn't going anywhere. Tesla, Microsoft, Google aren't going anywhere. And when the stock market comes back, because let me tell y'all, it always does, I want to be able to ride off into the sunset knowing that we bought and we held during these low moments. Okay, so I'm going to, like I said, share my screen. We're going to be going all over the details. You will see some screenshots, and I'm going to be sharing with you like a new account that we added to this. If you watched my video, I released that like last Wednesday or something, you will see that account inside of our portfolio. Again, I know a lot of you are wondering like, why you have so much going on? Because when the market is acting like this, we're only down 1.35% versus putting all of our eggs in one basket, and then we're down a whole lot more. So it's about being diversified. I cannot stress that. Diversification is so important when you are building up your portfolios. Put your money in different areas, okay? Do not just invest in a 401k if you can help it, not financial advice, but put your money in a 401k and open up a Roth IRA and open up a taxable account. That's 3 accounts already, okay? If you want to get into real estate, Fundrise. I just did a video talking about Fundrise in detail. I will have it somewhere up on the screen where you can go and check it out. It's another avenue that you can put your money in so that you can grow it over the long term. So diversification is really important, especially in times like this. So again, subscribe, like, and share, and let's head on over to the spreadsheet. We're here in our net worth workbook. I use this to track everything. And I do have a net worth tracker for your planners and things like that if you want to get that, and it help you to kind of list out all of your assets, list out all of your liabilities, to find your net worth in a really simple, easy way. Check out my website, mt1finance.com. So you see I have a couple of columns here. I usually hide the other columns because again, the screen is going to be a lot of information on the screen, and I know a lot of you watch this on your phones, and so I wanted to make it more concise. But if you want to see our previous net worth for the months, check out my playlist. I think you will see all that numbers there for like June and May and March and April and all of that. So let's come over here. September, cash on hand. Oh, let me scroll up. Okay. So checking account, about $3,750. Savings account, Capital One, $30,015. I told you guys I was trying to slowly increase our emergency fund, and that's what we're doing. My husband's checking account for his side hustle, $2,000. Cash on hand, $3,100. Coins. So we've been really using a lot more coins or money lately. So we've been getting a lot of change, and I'll get change for like my daughter and my husband. $115.09. Our emergency fund for the rentals, $6,539. Our goal is $10,000 because it costs a lot of money to maintain and keep rentals, and you should always have a savings account for rental properties anyway. And then gift cards, cashback, rewards. I do count that because that is money that is liquid. I can go to my rewards now and get cash to my account like credited. I can go and get a Visa gift card, so I do count that, and we're saving ours up for our vacation next June. So that's $2,742. We just pile our points, and just save them for my husband and I and our children to travel. So our total cash and savings is $48,261.09, which means it grew from last month, $923.30. Coming down to where we took a hit this month, our investment accounts. Let's get right to it. Our 401k down pretty much $10,000. Okay, it took a hit. It just took a hit. So $186,702.46 for the 401k. HSA, they're making me change the login information, so I have to contact the administrator. But this is the actual balance, $14,595. If you want to see like a more recent screenshot of our HSA, I did our portfolio update for the month of September. I put that video out like a week and a half ago. So there's screenshots in there, and you can see that. Our 3 Roths and Fidelity took a hit as well, $14,141.03. Next is my SEEP IRA that I have for my business, $482.45. Just taking a beating, y'all, but we're going to keep it moving. My husband's SEEP for his side business, $1,072.77. Interactive Broker, $71,270. Again, like I said, that's the theme today. We're taking a beating. Robinhood, $32,340.62. M1 Finance. That's where I do the $1 a day investing challenge. Our pick for October that you all voted on was Johnson & Johnson, $2,610.56. Webull, that's where I have like our starter companies, penny stocks, things like that, $1,949.47. If you want to open up any of these accounts, remember I have specific accounts for specific reasons. I have Webull for starter companies, M1 Finance for the investing challenge, Robinhood for dividends, Interactive Brokers for growth. So again, it's just being strategic when it comes to our investing. Crypto took a hit, $4,525.26. And then the investing savings challenge that I do for myself, $1,307.06. So our total investment accounts is down. So we're at $330,996.68, or we're down $18,897. That's almost 20 grand in 1 month. We were down. We took a beating, y'all. We took a beating. Coming down to real estate and vehicles, so our primary home just settled a little bit at $585,000. Our first rental property went down just a smidget, $215,067. And then we have our second rental, $237,635. So this one, the one that we just bought recently, this is a townhouse. And I noticed that the townhouses are still keeping their values. They're still selling. Okay. So I'm thinking like the bigger single family homes are taking a hit right now, but the townhomes, the row homes, things like that are really still holding their value and increasing despite the increased interest rates. Moving down to our minivan, it is paid in full. And I noticed too, the car values are going up still. So there's a big demand for cars in this country, and the supply chains and all of that, higher interest rates. People are just looking for a good used car. So the value goes up, $16,016. And then my husband's car, which is paid in full, $8,159. And then our newest account, Fundrise. So I really love using Fundrise. It's another way to get into real estate. Love it. I did a really big video talking about what Fundrise is. A lot of you have used my referral links. So I really do love Fundrise. It's a great way to like invest in complexes or like commercial properties, like indirectly without going through the stock market, but you don't have to actually own it yourself. $612.90. So the total of all of our real estate / vehicles is $1,062,489.90. So it increased a little bit, about $322.90. So, sometimes you got to take the wins no matter how small they are. Coming down to our other assets, so we do have gold and silver metals and coins, $3,498. Our 24 karat gold Wizard of Oz plates that I bought at a thrift store for $18. I plan on selling this when Wizard of Oz has its like 100th anniversary. And so this is an investment for us. So this is just the current appraised value, $350. My husband's company stock, $359,000. I did give an update that the company was revalued and his current shares are actually over the $1 million mark, but I'm waiting for the paperwork to come in. It takes a while because you got to go through lawyers and all of that. But when it does, I'll do an updated video. Moving on to our kids account, $14,795. And keep in mind, we still contribute to our investment accounts every month, okay? Every paycheck. So it's still down despite our contributions, but we're just going to keep on keeping on. Next is the NFTs that we own, $1,632. And then our I-bonds, $5,700. And the full interest should be coming through for these really, really soon. And of course, I'll do an updated video on our I-bonds. We do planning on buying more. So like I said, stay tuned for that updated video. But our total assets is $384,975, which is down $423 from last month. So our total assets is $1,826,722.67. So like I said, that's the theme. We took a hit, okay? Coming on to our liabilities, let me move down. So we just have three, okay? So we have $309,069.55 on our main home. That's the balance. Our balance on one of our rentals is $130,454.89. And then finally, the balance on our last rental is $133,118.65. So our total debt, and this is mortgage debt, is $572,643.09. So it did come down a little bit from last month. We're not in a rush to pay off our mortgages. We'd rather put our money in other assets. So we're here for our net worth for the month of September. So when you take all of our assets and you minus all of our liabilities, our net worth for the month of September is $1,254,079.58. So let's see what that all looks like. So let's come on over here to our little chart, and I am going to move my face up so I can scroll down. Okay, so September, we have the $1,254,079.58. Like I said, that means that our net worth fell $17,122 or negative 1.35%. So in the grand scheme of things, when we are looking at this data, we see, okay, $17,122 is a big number. But when you're talking about our entire net worth among everything that we own, including deducting our liabilities, it's down, 1.35%, which is not a whole lot in the grand scheme of things. But we're still buying and holding. The money that we invested this month will actually work for us harder and will cause our net worth to go up much more when the market turns around. So that is our update for the month of September. Let me know down below how your net worth did. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Again, subscribe, like, share, hit the little bell notification button, follow me over on Instagram. Link is down below. And until next time, I'll see y'all in the next one. Have a good one. Bye for now.